Hi, I'm Lori. That's Beezus, and this is our 2019 ProMaster fan build. Okay, so this is me hoping that one of these works to get this out. I haven't had to take these out yet, and they are caked. Everything is caked in dust. Can you see how dirty that is? It's gross. I don't want to bring any air in using that. Hey y'all. So for the first time, I am taking apart my Maxxair fans to clean them because I just got done with 2 Vanlife meetups that were a dust bowl. Sand and dust everywhere. Kind of like Burning Man, but probably a little bit less, but still comparable. So I just want you to know that actually it was really hard for me to get these fans off with my Allen wrench, and I kind of felt like I was gonna break them. So the first time might be difficult, depending on who tightened them in. So letting you know, make sure you go counterclockwise. All the videos that I watched, none of them said that, even though I'm sure it's a given. I think it's still nice to know exactly which way you should be going, especially if it feels as stuck as mine did. I thought I was gonna break the Allen wrench, and I thought I was gonna bust the I don't know, the opening, I guess. But I kept going back and trying, and then finally got them unstuck. So now I'm giving these babies a thorough cleaning, and I will show you how to take them off and put them on again. Okay, let me see if I can do this while holding one hand and putting this back. So there's where you put the Allen wrench. I'm gonna have to use my foot. There we go. And to tighten it, we're gonna go, To tighten it, we're gonna go clockwise. To take it off, you go counterclockwise. All right, we got it back on. So now we're gonna put this up. Spring it back up. There we go. So these, they're little tabs that you turn back in. Like so. All right, so now we have a beautifully clean fan. I'm gonna open her back up. Okay, so that is your tutorial on cleaning a Maxxair fan while I do it for the first time. As you can see, this is all dirty and grimy, so I'm gonna clean that right now before I put the fan back up there. But even though we went backwards, I'm sure it makes sense to take it off counterclockwise, to put it back on clockwise. And pro tip for the screens, if they're as dirty as mine were and you're taking your van through the car wash anyway, just shoot these with the hose and they will get nice and clean. You're welcome. All right. So this one was a little harder to clean because it's my kitchen fan, so it has grease on it as well. So giving you another angle. Put it back up. But you need to make sure that it goes all the way through. So you might have to loosen the thread a little more. So it goes all the way up. There. Yep. Now I'm gonna tighten it. Now I'm gonna go clockwise. just tug on it a little, make sure it's nice and tight. And then I'm gonna put the clean screen up. There we go. And lock them in place. Do I love a clean anything?